What's up, guys? This is Darren with GPE, coming to you live from my garage. So first we have my MX-5 short shifter. I forget who I got this from. Some auto part fulfillment center in Hacienda Heights. Ordered it yesterday. It was supposed to come here Saturday, but instead it came today, which is awesome. So yeah, can't wait to install that. I'll probably try to get to it tonight because I'm too restless with it. I actually like the way they packaged this. This is going to be my, look at all these different adapters. Dang. Jeez. Let's just hope that, I think this one's going to be the one that fits. This is my weighted shift knob. There we go. Wondering how I'm doing that, huh? No, I'm just playing. I'm not a loser. I am. But that's not the point. Let me see if this actually fits on. I approve on all levels. Now, it would just be dope if I make sure that I can get all this just put in tonight, and it'll just be one happy dude. Did you see that mile-long hike? Jesus. Crazy. Note to self, assume that this protector or boot or whatever it is destroyed. In a car that's so old, what do you expect? I installed this shifter and it's like perfect. Like seriously, this thing is perfect. And just like that, I'm already at 70 miles an hour in 6th to 5th gear. Boom shakalaka. Takes a little bit of getting used to, honestly, going from 4th to 5th. Not sure why. It still feels like the throw is a bit long over there, but it just takes a little bit of breaking into or whatever. I don't know. We'll see. But driving, everything is super butter. I just feel very happy. Like really, really happy about what I've done. There's the old shift knob or shifter. Here's the old shift knob. Matter of fact, I have two of them now. Bootsy and kinda okay. 7-star Dragon Ball. Make it do what it do. Alright, so now I just gotta put the rest of these screws back in. Call it a day. Giant win. But anyways, as of right now, this is Darren with GPE from Darren's Garage. Signing out. Yeah. Alright, car, say bye. Rude.